On the Airbus on the way back from Hungary. Got to say I'm thoroughly impressed with the changes that John has made to improve the quality of this airplane. First of all, it's called an A321 now. That's good. It was an A320, so he's made some big improvements just in the 2 weeks. Secondly, there is an instruction manual. It's not a big old monkey sitting in here. And you pull the instruction manuals out, it tells you what to happen in an emergency on the Airbus. And if you open it up right away, you can see that there's some big changes being made. The big changes that hit you right away is that there are 2 engines now, and they're shown in the instruction manual, one there and one there, where before you couldn't see but one engine kind of scared you. Well, that's good. Now, if we go back out to the engines and we look and see that there's no rust now left, looks like zooming in that all the parts match. Even more impressive is if you go to the wing and there's no yellow thing holding it together where there was super glue. Today it looks like one piece. Let me just say this as well. There's nothing on the engine. Much smoother. Yeah, it's a much smoother ride out here. There's very little, if no, vibration in the engine. It's just a really drastically improved airplane. I'm impressed so far. Another thing about the Airbus is I've noticed the clip here works. Another thing about the Airbus is the roominess of it. I don't know what you did in that 2 weeks time, but I can move my legs up and down into the Airbus, into the cabin. It looks like all the bolts are torqued down exactly right. Take a look at it. Yeah, all the bolts have the exact same torque on the engine. That's a comforting thought. And even the clips. Let's check now. Here's the deciding factor. The food on the Airbus. Okay, before we had a sweetie that we couldn't recognize. This has actually a label on it that says "Made for You." Now you see how that is? That's quality. That means that you listen to what I said and you've changed things around accordingly. Well, let's see what this thing is. It is a Zitronic Kirchencheskin. That's a real nice touch. Before we had some kind of sweetie. This is actually a name for this, and it looks like it's good. It's Bossilase, and it's got some really nice words on it. Okay, I really like my Airbus sweetie, but that's really a matter of personal taste. I'm going to ask another passenger. How do you like your Airbus sweetie?
My chocolate muffin was better.
But have you tried this yet?
Yes.
What would you say it's made out of?
Flour.
Flour. You think it's good?
Pretty good.
Okay, well, there's an improvement there. Pretty good. I've really noticed some quality changes that really make me feel good. For instance, you look down here on the engine. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see. Let's see if I can zoom it in. Yeah, there's a man down there, you see it with a note, and it says when the engines are started, stay away from them. Well, you would think that would be something that you would do anyway. It probably gets kind of loud when the engine starts, but Airbus really goes above and beyond the duty. Let you know that when the engine starts, yeah, it's probably not a good idea to get anywhere near them. They're probably spinning more than 10 RPM, could even be more than 20. And they could suck you into that, and I guess, yeah, that wouldn't be good. Incidentally, I've noticed on the Airbus too, I don't know what this is, but if you go in there and look on the screen, this is there's a device down there. So if I can get to it, yeah, see it right there. Yeah, hold on, let me get it back to it. Yeah, that device right there, it looks like a quick disconnect feature. Let's say one of your engines is on fire, and you could probably just crawl out there on the wing, since now you fixed the wing to where a man can walk on it, and just turn that nozzle and the engine would fall off on one side. We already know that the Airbus would work with one engine because the other one we flew over here only had one. So that's really an improvement as far as I'm concerned. Safety feature I see they've added is that step right there. It says wow, here's a big improvement. The captain's no longer serving coffee on this flight. They've hired someone to do it, which I think is a huge quality issue. Now the captain can fly the plane and somebody else can serve the coffee. That makes me feel a lot better too. Oh, here's another improvement. You remember the last Airbus? No ice cubes. This one, ice. This one has actually probably has an ice making machine on it, which is huge. What an improvement. And look, there's a lemon in there as well. So either they grow their own citrus or they can import them. But the Airbus has really come up in the world.